In a digital era driven by speed, trust has become the true differentiator. As information moves faster than ever, reliability and consistency matter more than noise. Print endures not because it resists change, but because it evolves with precision, earning trust where credibility counts most. Engineered systems, disciplined execution, and proven performance form the backbone of this trust. This is where modern newspaper production begins. Printers are reinventing themselves by consolidating equipment and production facilities, rethinking scale, efficiency, and purpose. To sustain operations, stay relevant, and remain profitable, the focus has shifted from volume to value, from legacy mindsets to smarter, more agile production models. This is how print adapts and continues to matter in a digital-first world. In South Korea, that future is now operational. At Hankyung Media Group, advanced automation, scale, and print quality come together through the COLORMAN EAD line press from manroland Goss, setting a new benchmark for industrial newspaper production. Performance at this scale is engineered. The installation delivers a total output of 0.38 million copies per hour across 4 machines, enabled by a high-capacity press configuration designed for consistent, high-quality production at full operating speed. Behind this performance is not just technology, but the strength of engineering execution. The Hankyung installation was delivered through a globally integrated effort involving teams from India, Germany, and Japan. This coordinated execution ensured precision, reliability, and smooth commissioning at scale. For the entire project, manroland Goss served as the single point of contact, taking complete responsibility for delivery and coordination. All associated systems and equipment were managed under the umbrella of manroland Goss. Augsburg remained the sole contractual partner for the complete installation, ensuring seamless integration, accountability, and execution consistency across the project. The manroland Goss India team played a central execution role, delivering the reel handling system, including the Winkle elevator and ROCs, completing positioning fixators for reel stands, printing towers and folders, and executing installation of both press lines. The scope also included electrical installation, printing commissioning, operator training, and production support, along with overhauling and refurbishment of non-manroland presses, drawing on a global legacy of 180 years of engineering experience. From engineering to execution, manroland Goss continues to set the standard for future-ready newspaper production. A step into the future. With our predictive maintenance application, MaintelliSense, you are one step ahead. Detects deviations early and automatically, increase reliability of the printing process, and identify potential for optimization. Make manroland Goss your next choice.